Hello, I'm Mrs. Vaishali Samant. I invite you all to Saraswati Tutorials. If you like my video, then please share it, subscribe it, like it and press bell icon also. I'll solve a problem now. A pair of dice is thrown 4 times. Getting a doublet is a success. Find probability that there are 2 successes. And now dice is thrown, it is a binomial distribution because same number can come again, no? So it is with replacement like that. So number of sample spaces when 2 dice are thrown, it is 36. E is getting doublet and doublet are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So probability of getting doublet in one trial will be 6 by 36, that is 1 by 6. So Q will be 5 by 6. P is getting 2 successes. In formula you put x equals to 2, simplify, this will be your answer. Simplification you do yourself so that you will have practice and in exam you can do fast. Don't neglect calculation, you must have practice of doing so you can do fast. There are 5% defective atoms in a large bulk of atoms. Find probability that sample of 10 atoms will not include more than one defective. N is 10, P is this, Q is this. Not more than 1 means 0 or 1 you have to take. You simplify, write formula and simplify. 5 cards are drawn successively with replacement from 52 cards. Find the probability that all 5 cards are spades. N is equals to 5. E is selected card is spade. So probability of spade will be 13 by 52. In one trial it is 1 by 4. So Q will be 3 by 4. Probability at x is equals to 5 you want. Only 3 cards are spades, so x is equals to 3. Substitute in formula, you write. None is spade means at x equals to 0. Substitute, this will be your answer. Next problem, a bag consists of 10 balls marked with digits 1 to 9. 1 to 9 there will be 10. If 4 balls are drawn successfully with replacement from a bag, what is the probability that none is marked with digit 0? Here 4 balls we are taking, so n is equals to 4. Success is getting number 0 because for number 0 we are trying. So number 0 is only once in 10, so it will be probability in one trial it is 1 upon 10. Q will be 9 upon 10. None marked with 0 means x is equals to 0, you have to find out. Substitute in formula, simplify. In an examination, 20 questions. In an examination, 20 questions of true or false type are asked. Student tosses a pair of coin and determines his answer for each question. He doesn't know the answers, so he is throwing a coin. If head comes up, the answer is true. If tail comes up, it is false. Find the probability that at least 12 answers are correct. Means at least 12 answers are correct means at least 12 times you are getting head. So success is answer is correct. So answer is correct because he is tossing a coin. So head or tail it will be half of probability. And n is 20 questions are there. X is equals to number of correct answers. So probability x greater than or equals to 12 will be probability that x equals to 12, 13 till 20. You have to simplify. You take this common and write answer as it is. Don't try to simplify. It will be waste of time. If x has binomial distribution 6 half, I gave you this notation once. N is 6 and probability in one trial is half. Show that at x equals to 3 is the most likely outcome. That is at x equals to 3 is the maximum among all pxi. This probability at x is equal to 3 is maximum, we have to find out. Here n is 6, p is half, q is half. So at x equals to 0 you find out, x equals to 1 you find out, 2, 3, 4 you find out. Here half raised to 6 you don't simplify, this is as it is. But among these coefficients are there, no? 20 is the maximum, that means at x equals to 3 it is maximum. Next problem is out of 100 bulbs, 10 are defective. Then probability that 5 balls, out of 5 balls, none is defective. It is objective question. N is 5, P is 10%, 10 out of 10, 10 are defective, out of 100, 10 are defective. So P is 10 upon 100, 1 upon 10, Q will be 9 upon 10. At x is equals to 0, none is defective, means x is equals to 0. Simplify, this is your answer. Don't simplify it further. I'll stop here now.